We need to be able to calculate the area of a regular polygon. This is something that we talked about a while back, but I think it's time to maybe readdress it again. Okay. When we're dealing with a regular polygon, we need to know a couple things. One of the things that we need to know is just how many sides we're dealing with. So we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9 sides. That means that if I draw a triangle here, I've got a central angle of 360 divided by 9. So my central angle is 40 degrees. So I've got a 40-degree angle in there. That's 40 in there. Now guys, I'm gonna point that out that, but we're actually going to use a little bit different here. Because it's a 40-degree angle, I know that I can then cut that in half. And I need to find that particular length right there. That's my apothem, okay? So that's my apothem right there. So half of 40, of course, is 20 degrees. So I've got a 20-degree angle here. Now, how do I deal with that? Well, when I have 20-degree angle, you'll notice that the base here, 4 feet, well, that becomes 2 and 2. So I've got a missing side here of 2 feet, and I've got my apothem, okay? So for my 20-degree angle, I know my opposite is 2, my adjacent is my unknown value. So I have an equation here that says tangent of 20 degrees, that looks awful, is equal to 2 divided by my apothem. So to solve for my apothem, apothem is 2 divided by tangent of 20. Okay. Now in my calculator, I'm going to put that in. 2 divided by tangent 20 degrees is 5.5. Okay. So I've got an apothem of 5.5 units. I've got a side of 4 feet, and I've got 9 sides. So my perimeter is going to be 4 feet times 9, which is 36 feet. And my apothem, of course, is 5.5 feet. Okay? To find my total area, I use my formula 1/2 apothem perimeter, which I substitute the values for apothem, so 1/2 times 5.5 times 36. And that gives me 99 square feet. Okay? So first step, find the central angle. Second step, draw a triangle, solve it for the apothem. You have to cut that angle in half. You draw the altitude, cut it in half. I didn't indicate as such, but remember this is a right angle right there. And this is the part that takes the work, okay? But you'll end up with a tangent equation. You'll solve for the apothem. And once you know the apothem, you just stuck it into the formula, 1/2 AP. You got it.